Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into HBAR, which has had a lot of massive developments as of late, such as native staking going live and much more. I'll be discussing everything in this video, and also we'll be taking a look at the price chart, because HBAR looks like a rocket ship ready for takeoff currently. So if that does interest you and you want to find out all the most relevant information about HBAR, then you're in the right place. This is the video for you. So be sure to stick with me until the very end. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. So to start things off, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. It is currently at $1.04 trillion. Bitcoin is making moves to the upside right now, trading at $20,776. The Bitcoin price is breaking out of the trading range that it has been in for weeks now, which is very exciting to see. We also have Ethereum trading for $1,567, also breaking out of its trading range. Again, very exciting, but HBAR right now is what I have my eyes on, currently trading at 6.04 cents with a market cap of $1.484 billion. Now, HBAR is without a doubt one of the top layer ones in the space in terms of technology with its Hashgraph technology. I made full videos about HBAR and what it is. This video will be more focused on what is going on within the Hedera ecosystem. So the main thing right now is native staking actually going live for HBAR. This is very exciting, and right now you can be earning over 6% APY by staking your HBAR with your own self-custody. So it's actually very simple to stake your HBAR. I would recommend downloading the Hashpack wallet. This is basically like the MetaMask version, but for HBAR. Very simple, just go to their website and download it. Once you download it and you make your login, your seed phrase, etc., you'll be able to log into it. This is what mine looks like. You'll be able to stake here, and you can stake directly through the Hashpack wallet. So it's very simple, and like I said, the staking reward right now is over 6%. So if you're holding HBAR, it would make sense to go ahead, lock it up in the stake, and start earning interest on it. I believe that HBAR is undervalued right now compared to where it's been and where it is going. And the fact that you can now put it to work for you and compound and grow it is super exciting, and I can't wait to see where this goes in the future. Now, in terms of other HBAR updates, we can take a look at this tweet from Nick Garcia talking about Messari Research's analytics on HBAR. And the main thing to take a look at in this image here is the supply of HBAR. Looking at it from Q3 of 2021, there was 10.2 billion HBAR coins in circulation. Now, if we look at the circulating supply, it's 24.4 billion. So a lot more HBAR has come into circulation over the past year. Now, this isn't the greatest thing. Tokenomics are very important, but I think HBAR can handle all of the inflation, especially with the increased demand that is expected to come to this blockchain. So we'll see how this goes in the future. It is a little bit concerning how so much more HBAR has come into circulation, but I don't think it will have drastic long-term effects on HBAR and its price potential, especially as more people go ahead and stake their coins, more people learn about what this project is and get involved with the ecosystem. And I do want to spend some time right now talking about the ecosystem because HBAR is growing, and it's growing very quickly in terms of adoption. Also, NFTs. NFTs are very hot on HBAR, and the main marketplace is Zeus Market. If we take a look at the Zeus Market Twitter account, they are posting all of their updates, and one of the main collections on HBAR is the Dead Pixel Ghost Club. So if we take a look at the Zeus Market, looking at the top collections, Hungry Baboons is number one, and then we have the Dead Pixel Ghost Club. Now, personally, I do own a Dead Pixel. I own Ghost number 1495. It looks like Mr. T with the boxing gloves, mohawk, and mustache and beard combo. I bought this for 7,000 HBAR a few weeks back when the floor was lower. I believe the floor was around 5,000 HBAR. The floor has since then gone up to 6,300 HBAR, and it is rising relatively quickly. If we take a look at the volume, the total volume of this collection is 10.046 million HBAR. And if we just do a quick conversion of what that is in US dollars, around $601,000, $602K in total volume traded on this collection. And this is still in its infancy. This marketplace is still in its infancy. So I was early to a lot of other NFTs on other blockchains, and the prices went up astronomically. I do think HBAR has the potential to be just like those other times. So I'm excited to be holding some of the top collections, some good NFTs in the top collections. And like I said, this is still in its infancy. I think it has massive growth potential. And I've seen it before, how these NFT collections catch on with other blockchains other than Ethereum, and they really had the potential to take off. So if you guys want to see me make more NFT content specifically about HBAR, let me know in the comment section down below. But I definitely encourage you to get involved with the HBAR NFT scene. It is growing very quickly, and all you need is a Hashpack wallet, load it up with some HBAR, and you can get involved with the fun here. If we take a look at the total volume on this exchange, it is 83.5 million HBAR. So again, all we need to do is a quick conversion to see how much that is in US dollars, and we can get a better idea of what's actually going on here. And if we take a look at 83.5 million HBAR, that actually comes out to $5 million. So not bad in terms of the volume traded on a newer blockchain with a newer NFT scene. This is still in its infancy, and I can see exponential growth for the HBAR NFT scene as time does actually move on and more people actually catch on to what HBAR is and its potential. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the price chart. This is really an interesting looking price chart to me at the current moment in time. Reason being, it has been consolidating for so long right here around 6 cents. If we take a date and time measurement from the first crash, when it was really crashing down back in May, to the current time, that has been around over 5 months, 167 days. So over 5.5 months, price has been between 7 and 6 cents. Now things are getting very interesting with the whole entire market looking like we're going to go on a Q4 rally at the moment, and HBAR simply looks like a rocket ship waiting on its launch pad ready for takeoff. We do have a slight uptrend. Price is making continuous higher lows, and we do have some horizontal resistance levels that we are trying to break, and you can see my trend lines here. A lot of overhead resistance, but price is compressing in a bit of a triangle here. So the main thing right now with HBAR, if we drop this down to a 4-hour price chart, is you start retaking some of these horizontal levels. We do have one right at 6.07 cents. We really want to see a 4-hour closure or above this level here at 6.07 cents. Notice how over the past few days we have had many wicks above that line, but every time price has been rejected. What we don't want to see is the sellers take over and just reject it altogether from this level and push it back down. We want to see the buyers really step in here, burst above this, and then we have these trend lines. We have this trend line and this trend line. If we can get over those, sky is the limit, really. We're going to go on a bit of a rally, and that would line up very nice with the Q4 midterm election rally thesis that looks like it is playing out currently in the market. So again, we need to start retaking these horizontal resistance levels. If this thing really does get going here, we want to see it start to make continuous higher highs and higher lows. The main pivot highs that we want to retake, first one is going to be here at 6.75 cents. After that, we have another one at 7.4 cents, and then the top of the range is at 8.4 cents. If we break this, I can see going up to 13 cents here. Right, that's the next level after 8.5 cents. So there is a lot of potential here on the HBAR chart if it can actually get going. Just from the current price to this level is 38% at 8.5 cents. And at 13 cents, we're looking at a gain of 126%. Now let's not forget, HBAR is ISO 20022 compliant, just like coins like Quant and XRP. Those are really two of the hottest coins in the market right now, especially Quant with its CBDC narrative. And HBAR really is in that same exact category. So we could see another quant type of move happen here, another parabolic type of move. It is possible, but nothing is a given, especially in this crypto market. We're still in a bear market. I do think we're going to have a Q4 rally, but that does not mean it's the overall end of the bear market. So it is exciting right now. We have prices going up, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. The main things with HBAR is to start retaking some of these horizontal resistance levels. We want to see this breakout to the upside from this compression that is currently forming. This will break out soon. There's no doubt about that. The direction, as long as Bitcoin continues to hold strong and push higher, I think HBAR is going to follow right in its footsteps. But of course, with all coins, they're a beta asset to Bitcoin, the main asset in the market. so they will move much more than Bitcoin does, which is why I am thinking that HBAR can have over a 100% gain here in the relative short to midterm. The main thing with HBAR though is really its longer term potential. So if you're not trading it, the best thing to do is just continue to stack it, get yourself the Hashpack wallet, and then start to stake it and compound your stack. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. So in this video, we took a look at HBAR, all of its recent developments, and then we took a look at the price chart on where I think it is going here in the short to midterm. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. And if you're brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel and you enjoy the content, make sure you stick around by smashing that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.